हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फिनेंस एजुकेशन एंड करियर्स इस चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारा टॉपिक है म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स की। म्यूचुअल फंड्स क्या होते हैं, कैसे वो काम करते हैं। तो बेसिकली म्यूचुअल फंड्स जो होते हैं दे पूल मनी फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टर्स, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स, जैसे कि इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर्स, कारपोरेट्स, अदर बिजनेसेस, ट्रस्ट. So a mutual fund collects money, it pools money from various types of investors, and they manage this money through a fund manager, and they invest all these monies in various markets like equity markets, debt markets. So all these investors who invest in a mutual fund, they have some financial goal, which could be a short term financial goal or a long term financial goal. So this money which is collected by fund managers. So fund managers, they manage this money keeping in mind the investment objective of the fund. So every mutual fund, it has an investment objective, which could be liquidity, or which could be growth, which could be income generation. So let's take an example where the investment objective of the fund is long term growth. So this fund will invest in equities. Okay, so an equity mutual fund collects money from investors, and they put all this money in equity markets. And a debt mutual fund collects money from investors, and they invest this money in debt markets, in various debt securities like government securities, bonds, debentures. So every mutual fund scheme has an investment objective, and the scheme tries its best to achieve the investment objective of that scheme. So let's take an example. Suppose there is XYZ mutual fund scheme where the investment objective is long term growth. So this objective can be achieved by investing in equities. Okay, so this fund collects, say for example, rupees 100 crores from various investors, and these investors, they put money in this XYZ mutual fund scheme, and this scheme will be managed by a fund manager who is a professional expert in finance. So the role of this fund manager is to achieve the investment objective of the scheme. So this fund manager will invest money in equity markets. It will invest money in those shares which he thinks will help achieve the investment objective of the scheme. So again, it depends upon the type of scheme, because in mutual fund there are so many categories. The most famous are large cap, mid cap, small cap funds, and large and mid cap funds, multi cap, flexi cap funds. So suppose the category of this fund is large cap. Okay, so being a large cap fund, it will invest in large cap stocks, top 100 companies of India. So this fund will invest in top 100 companies in India, top 100 on the basis of market capitalization. Okay, so being a large cap fund investing in top 100 companies, the risk level will be very low, correct, compared to this mid cap and small cap. Here the risk level will be low. So this fund will invest in the best of the companies. So which are the best of the companies? Again, this is a topic for research. So the fund manager will research which companies are the good ones in which he should be investing the money. So fund manager will earn income from these companies in the form of dividend and in the form of capital appreciation. So whatever money is collected, whatever money is earned, that money actually belongs to the investors, unit holders, correct, because they are the true owners of this fund. So the role of the fund manager is to earn money and pass that money to investors. And the company, the mutual fund company, the fund manager, they are entitled to charge fees as per SEBI. So today we discussed the very basics of mutual funds. In next video we will see what are the advantages of mutual funds, why should investors, especially individual investors, they should be investing in mutual funds. We'll see in the next video. Thank you so much.